Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about algebraic identity. In today's class, let us solve some more problem based on algebraic identity. That is, using identity, find 3/2m plus 2/3n, 3/2m minus 2/3n. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. The same term, here is a plus, here is a minus. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. 3/2m whole square minus 2/3n whole square. A plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, m into m square, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, n into n square. 9m square by 4 minus 4x square by 9. Next problem, 983 whole square minus 17 whole square. Well, student, this is the problem. One more time, I want to represent this using the identity find 3/2m plus 2/3n, 3/2m minus 2/3n. Here one is plus, another is minus. The same term, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 3/2m whole square, 2/3n whole square. 3 3s are 9, m into m square, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, m into n square, 3 3s are 9. This is the formula reverse process. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is 983 plus 70, 983 minus 70. This is a, this is b. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 983 plus 70, 983 minus 70. 983 plus 70. That is 1000 into 983 minus 70. 966. Multiply 966 into 1000. 966. We will double the 966. How many 0? 30. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 9,66,000. 9,66,000. So once again, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 983 plus 70, 983 minus 70, a plus b, a minus b. 983 plus 70, 1000. 983 minus 70, 966. 966 into 1000, 9,66,000. Next problem, 194 into 206. This can be written as 200 minus 6. 200 minus 6, 194 into 200 plus 6. This is of the form, same time, a minus b into a plus b. That is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. 200 whole square minus 6 whole square. 194 can be written as 200 minus 6. 206 6 is 200 plus 6. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. 200 whole square. 2 2s are 4. 2 0 double 0. Minus 6 6 are 36. 4 40,000 minus 36. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 3 6. This is 993. 39,964. 39,964. Yes, correct answer. I want to explain it once again. 194 can be written as 200 minus 6. 206 can be written as 200 plus 6. This is of the form a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 200 whole square. 200 into 200 40,000. 6 6 are 36. 40,000 minus 36. 39,964. Next problem. Two 97 into 303. 297 can be written as 300 minus 3. 297 can be written as 300 minus 3. 300 minus 3 297 into 300 plus 3. This is of the form a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. 300 minus 3, 300 plus 3, 300 whole square minus 3 whole square. Because a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. 3 3s are 9, double 0 puts 4 0, minus 3 3s are 9. 9 followed by 4 0, minus 9. 10 minus 9 1. 9 9 9 8, that is equal to 89,991. 89,991. Next one is 78 into 82. This can be written as 80 minus 2, 80 plus 2. 80 minus 2, 78. 80 plus 2, 82. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 80 square minus 2 square. 8 8s are 64. 2 1 0 double 0. 2 2s are 4. 6,400 minus 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 3 6. 6,396. 10.5 into 9.5. So this is one more problem. 10 plus 0.5. 10 minus 0.5. 10 plus 0.5, 10.5. 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 10 minus 0.5 whole square. 10 tens are 100. 0.55 are 100 minus 100.00. 0.25. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. This is 9. That is 99.75. 99.75. So I want to explain all these once again. 297 into 303. 6400 minus 4, 6396. 10.5 into 9.5. 10 plus 0.5. 10 minus 0.5. 10 whole square minus 0.5 whole square. 10 tens are 100. 0.55 are 25. 100 minus 0.25, 99.75. Now we will pass on to some other problems. Evaluate using the identity. Find the product phi naught 1 into phi naught 2. When we multiply this directly, we may do like this, but by using the identity 500 plus 1, 500 plus 2. This is of the form x plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X is 500 whole square, x is 500, a plus b 1 plus 2, 1 into 2, ab 1 into 2, 5 5s are 25, 0040, 500 into 2 plus 1 3, 2 ones are 2, 2540, unit tens 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 2,50,000, 5 3s are 50,500 plus 2, 25 followed by 40, 1,500 to 205,152, unit tens 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 2,51,502, 2,51,502. Next problem, 95 into 103. This problem can also be done by formula 100 minus 5 into 100 plus 3. This is once again of the form x plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Here is also x is 100, 100 whole square. If you want to, it will say explain 501 into 502. 500 plus 1, 500 plus 2. Here x is equal to 500, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. X plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X is 500 whole square, x is 500, a is 1, b is 2, 1 into 2. 5 5s are 25, 2040, 500, 2 plus 1 3, 2 ones are 2, 5 3s are 50, 1,500 plus 2, 2,50,000 plus 1,500 plus 2, 2,51,502. The same problem, same time 100 into a plus b minus 5 plus 3 minus 5 into 3, 1 followed by 40 plus 100, 5 minus 3 minus 2, plus into minus minus 5 3s are 50, 1 2 3 4, plus into minus minus 100 2s are 200 minus 50, 40 minus 200 minus 50 minus 250, 10 back minus 250, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 2 7, 9 0, 9,785, 9,785. So in this way we are going to solve some problem. Once again, 95 into 103, 100 minus 5 95, 100 plus 3 103. Here x is 100, you write here x is 100, a is minus 5, b b is equal to 3. 100 whole square, 100 into a, minus 5 plus 3. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract 100 with greater number sign. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. Plus into minus minus. 5 3s are 15. 10,000 plus into minus minus. 100 2s are 200 minus 50. 200 minus 200 minus 50 minus 250. 10,000 minus 250. 9,785. Next. Evaluate 71 whole square, 99 whole square, 102 whole square. 71 whole square. Using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Find 103 into 104. 103 into 104. This can be written as 100 plus 3, 100 plus 4. X plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X is 100 whole square, 100 a plus b, 3 plus 4 plus 3 into 4. X is 100, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. 100 whole square, 1 followed by 40, 10,000, that is 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 3s are 12. 1 2 3 4 plus 7 into 100, 700 plus 12. 1 followed by 40, nothing but 10,000. 700 plus 12, 712. 10,712 is your answer. When you are 10,000 plus 712, 10,712. 5.1 into 5.2. If you want to experiment also like 103 into 104, 100 plus 3, 100 plus 4. X plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X is 100 whole square, x is 100, a is 3, b is 4, 3 plus 4. ab means a into b, 3 into 4. 4 plus 3 7, 7 into 100, 700, 3 4s are 12. 10,000 plus 700 plus 12, 700 plus 12, 712, or 10,700 plus 12, 10,712. 5.1 into 5.2. 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. Again, x plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X is 5 whole square, x is 5, a is 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.1 into 0.2. 5 5s are 25, 5 into 0.1 plus 0.2, that is equal to 0.3 plus 0.2 ones are 2, 0.02, 2 ones are 2, 2 decimal 0.02. 25 plus 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, that is 1.5 plus 0.02. When we add this 25.00, 1.5, 0.02, 2, 5, 6, 26.52, 26.52, 5.1 into 5.2. If you want to do it, check it with the help of the ordinary multiplication. 51 into 52. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. 2, 5, 6, 2. 26.2 digits. 5.1 into 5.2, that is 26.52. Next problem, 103 into 98. Before going to do that one, if we want, I am going to explain it once again. 5.1 can be written as 5 plus 0.1, 5 plus 0.2. This is of the form x plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X is 5 square, x is 5, a 0.1 plus 0.2. When we add 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.3, 0.1 into 0.2, 0.2 ones are 2 decimal 0.02. When you add 25 plus 5 3s are 15, 1 decimal 1.5 plus 0.02. When we add this, you get 26.52. When you make the ordinary multiplication without the help of the identity, when you verify, you get the same answer. 103 into 98. 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. Once again, this is of the form x plus a into x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. What is x? 100 whole square. What is x? 100. A plus b, 3 plus 3 minus 2. AB, 3 into minus 2. 1 followed by 40. 100 into 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 3 2s are 6. 1 followed by 40 plus 100 minus 6. 1000 plus 100. 10,000 plus 100. 10,000 plus 100. 10,100. 10,100 minus 6. 10,100 minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4, 9, 0, 9. This is 0. 9,094. 10,100 minus 6, 9,094. 103 into 98. Like this, we are going to solve the problem. Now, we will pass on to some more problem based on one more formula. If you want to do it once again, 100 and 3 can be written as 100 plus 3, 98, 100 minus 2. Here x is equal to 100, a is equal to plus 3, b is equal to minus 2. 100 whole square, 100 into plus 3 minus 2, 3 into minus 2. 100 whole square means 10,000. 100 into plus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Because we are going to put the greater number sign. Plus into minus 3 2s are 6. 100 ones are 100 minus 6. 10,000 plus 100, 10,000, 100 minus 6, 9,094. 9,094 plus 6. Small mistake here. 10,100 minus 6. 10,000. 10,000 0 0 1. 10,100 minus 6. 10 minus 6 4. Here is 9. Here is 0. 0. Here is 0. Here is 0 as it is. 10 10,094. 10,094 plus 6, 10,100. Correct. 10,094. Next, using the identity, using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. 51 whole square minus 49 whole square. This is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is 51 plus 49, 51 minus 49, 51 plus 49, 100 into 51 minus 49, 2. 100 2s are 200. The answer is 200. When you check it with the help of the calculator, 51 plus 49, that is equal to 100. When you add 51 plus 49, 100 into 51 minus 49, 2. 100 into 2, 100 2s are 200. Next problem. 153 whole square minus 147 whole square. A square minus b square. 153 plus 147. 153 minus 147. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. 153, 147. 300 into 153 minus 147. 153, 147. Into 6. 1800. 3 6 are 18, 00, 1800. In this way, we are going to solve the problems based on a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay.